Let's get started by accessing the Create Email template from the Emails module. If your Emails module is not listed, click the More drop-down, hover over Emails in the list, and then select Create Email Template. Let's enter Quote in Progress in the name field. Set the type to email. Leave the teams set to global and assign to blank so this template will be available for all users. Enter Quote Template in the description and Quote in Progress in the subject. We will enter some text in the body area to let the recipient know we have not forgotten them. We could also add a signature line as well, but in this case we want to use a custom signature that is available directly in the email client. This is a pretty generic letter, so let's use Sugar to create a couple personal touches. We will use the Insert variable to insert a contact name by selecting Contact and First Name. Then click Insert. And then insert the account by selecting Account and then Name. Click Insert and then click Save. Now let's see the template in action. Click the Emails module to load the email client. Click Compose, then click the Options button and then select the Quote in Progress template. You will see an alert notifying you that selecting a template will override existing content. Click Yes to continue. Then, just like magic, there is content from the template ready for you to use. We could select a signature here as well, but there aren't any in this demo. You can view the Creating an Email Signature How Do I video to learn how to create one of your own.